Hello and welcome to another video tutorial on web authoring. Today we're going to look at some sub questions within the 2007 specimen paper 3 and the 2016 specimen paper 3. All we are interested in is creating a hyperlink which opens in a new window, and also changing the name of a web page. You're supposed to probably type in your name in the page and then print a copy of the HTML source. The next thing we'll do is to create a hyperlink, okay, using an image, and which you send an email, and then this part here, which is the CC, okay, just put an hashtag there. Right now, this part with the hashtag is not part of the 2016 specimen paper. Now, however, what happens if you are asked to CC in these people and BCC in these people as part of the email above? Right. So to demonstrate the first one, I'll open the WYSIWYG, which is a KompoZer I'm using for this demonstration. So first of all, I'll begin with the 2007. Now the 2007 here says that I should, just a minute, right, so right there, the 2007 says that I should create a hyperlink from this here, which will open this, okay, so which will open in this, right? So to do this, this is all I have to do. Go to the KompoZer, right click on this, and then go to link. When I get to link, I'll call in the source. So that is in specimen paper right here. So I'm supposed to link the specimen paper 2, right, this one. So all I have to do is to click on that, get it open, and click on link is to be open, okay, and then come to advanced, and then under the attributes look for target. Once you select target, here you find in blank. So within the blank we have the underscore, and then you type in the external, okay. So once you type in the external, you click on OK. Now this here is going to open in a new frame or in a new window, which is labeled as that. So I click on OK. Now I want to open this here, but so I have to click on save and browse. All right, so as I browse, this is what I get. So if I click on this, you open, right? So in clicking, it has opened the source document which I'm looking for here. So that is how to create the hyperlink to open in a new target using a KompoZer. Now there is a second way to do the same thing, right? So to do the same thing, I'm just going to add new and call in the same information, right? So just double click on this. It's already named as that, so I'm going to change the name for this so that I'm able to open that one since I have the same document. Okay, just try to do this by putting 3 there to change the name and click on save. So I'll try that again, open, and there we go. Right, so this is open now. All right, so this already has an hyperlink, so come on, it didn't open. All right, so oh, come on. All right, so what I'm going to do here is to remove the hyperlink and try another way of doing the same thing. Okay, show you another way of doing the same thing. So I right click and remove the link. Okay, so if I check, it looks like the rest. So all I'm going to do is click on that again, and now once this is inactive, all I have to do is to close the KompoZer and then save, and then open it again. and then I call in that particular right. So I go back to try and then link, and all I have to do is to call in where I'm supposed to attach it to, which is this, and then I bring in the, just type the target. Okay, you type in target and then follow with an equal sign, speech mark, and within it you type in underscore external. Okay, so once you do that, you click on OK. I come to the source file here, and within here you can see that the target is there. However, you don't have the speech mark around it, so I have to put that in the speech mark, remove the 22 and remove that, and do the same thing for the HTML. So I put this in a tag, and this is already that. So once this is done, I go back to the design view and click on save, and then I browse again. So once I browse, I click on this and it should open. Alright, so that is also displayed. So those two ways are the possible ways of creating a hyperlink and asking it to open in a new window using a KompoZer. Alright, so we want to look at the next question, which is the next set of questions, which is question 28, says that we should save the page as this. And print this page as it is viewing your browser, and print a copy of the HTML source. So to print a copy of the HTML source, all you have to do is to go to source and then Control A, select everything, and then you paste within the source code. Now, if you're asked to change the name of the browser, that's the home page, to, let's say, specimen, all you have to do is come to source and locate title. So in between title, the tag, open and close tag for title, right here, you find in here home page.html. If so, you are supposed to change this to, say, specimen. You just type in the specimen. Or let's see, if I'm supposed to type in here just home page, then I just put in there as home page and click on save. So that is where to do the change in the name of the page. So once that is done, it affects the name here, and that is how to do that part of the question. The part that says that take a preview of the web page within the browser. So the browser we used was this. So all you have to do is to use a snipping tool, and take a screenshot of this, and then come to this part also and take the screenshot of that and paste within your evidence document. All right, now the next part of the question says that I should make the image this a hyperlink to send an email, that is a message to this person with a subject link this and CC in these two people. All right, so to do that, I have to go back to the KompoZer and then open new and then call in that particular file. So that is located here, right, this very one, and I'm supposed to use this image as a hyperlink. So all I have to do is to click on the image and click on the link, and then choose the, okay, so once it's a link, all I have to do is to type in the address. Okay, so you click on the above is an email address and just type it in. Once you type it in, I'm supposed to create a copy in, and then CC in, and then blind copy. So I bring in a question mark and then type in CC equal to the email address. The first one is this at yahoo.com. And then once you type in that, you bring in the end sign, so end, and then again BCC equal to, then the name, the second address will follow. So in this case, the second address is that at Gmail, okay, gmail.com. All right, gmail.com. And once I'm done with this again, to bring in the subject, all I bring again is the end sign, and then type in subject, okay, and bring in equal to, and then the subject I need here is, let's say, hello world. Okay, so once I do that, I click on OK, save it and browse, and let's see what happens. So click on this image, and yeah, so you can find in here that the subject is hello world, and then it is copying in this person, imply copying in that person. And using the Outlook, when you click on that, it sends an image. So yeah, let me just type in, I want to see this, all right, and then click on the send arrow. Now once that is done, we want to check from my email if it has really sent any message to me. All right, so send any message to me. So I come in here and then see if I have, which is what, yes, hello world with the subject. And when you open it, you say what, I want to see this, right? And send from my Windows email, right? So it works, and that is how to send make a picture, a hyperlink, sending in the subject and then CC in another person. All right, so in case you just want just to send the subject, all you have to do is to remove all this bit, and then you need just the subject. So you have the question mark subject, and then you type in hello world and click on OK. So you save and browse, and then once you click on that, this time around it just says to that particular person, say hello world. So when you send a message, once again it goes to the person, and when you open the browser. All right, so on that note, just want to say it is very easy. All you need to do is to practice and you'll be perfect. So till we meet again next time, bye bye and be good.